Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain chemical properties of matter. Chemical properties of matter. Before last class you learn the physical properties of matter, that is measurable physical property and observable physical property. Now the main difference between physical property and chemical property, the physical property, the composition of matter should not be changed. In chemical properties, the composition of matter should be changed. That is main difference between physical property and chemical property. Now let us see first statement about chemical properties of matter. The chemical properties of matter is a property. The chemical properties is a property. See, properties that can be measured or observed only when matter undergoes to become a different kind of matter. This is about statement chemical properties of matter, but here the matter is completely different kind of matter. The matter is, which one is, you can take any matter in chemical reaction, that is completely converted to matter, different kind of matter. So in chemical properties of matter, the composition of matter should be changed. The composition of matter should be changed. Let us see here. Can take A to A and A to B, but here the change is A is changed, but change here to here. So here to here, that is position is change. Position is change. So that is change is physical change. So here it's not disappeared. It is the same thing. The original matter is come to here. That is come to here. So this it changes physical change. Next, the A is completely converted to form B, but it is chemical change. Chemical change. So here the completely converted. A is converted to B. A is converted to A, but position is changed here to here. This it is physical change. It is chemical change. Now I give another example about chemical properties of matter. When you take hood, the hood is converted to ash. When you take hood, the hood is converted to ash. Hood is converted to ash. It is change is chemical change. Next one, you can take hood, another hood. The hood is broken into two parts. Its change is size, big to small. So it changes physical change. So it changes physical change. For example, chemical properties of matter. Chemical properties of matter. Example, flammability, and toxicity, and acidity, and reactivity, and heat of combustion. Heat of combustion. There belongs to chemical properties of matter. And every day in our life, the chemical changes every day in our life. That is combustion, rusting of iron, digesting food, and photosynthesis, and fermentation, and batteries, and washing with soap, and baking cake, and souring milk, and also cooking egg. There belongs to chemical changes every day in our life. But in every day in our life, that is chemical changes. So today explain about chemical properties of matter. In chemical properties of matter, the composition of matter should be changed. It's very main point about chemical properties of matter. That is the composition of matter should be changed. It's unable to change. If it's unable to change the composition of matter, it's chemical. It's not find out chemical properties of matter. So it is chemical properties of matter. Now I give one question about chemical properties of matter. That is a boy question. A boy holded a soap in his hand. After some time, the soap is decrease in small size. What is change? What is change in soap? So this is a question about chemical properties of matter. Give me answer in comment box. Give me answer in comment box. This is about chemical properties of matter. My next class is measurement of matter. The properties of measurement of matter. Thank you very much.